Everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson. We're going to be talking about modals of necessity. So first we're going to take a look at must and have to. So for general statements of necessity or opinions, we can use must or have to. I must go shopping today or I have to go shopping today really have the same meaning. For opinions that show importance or urgency, we use must. You must listen to me. For obligation, we use have to. I have to go to the meeting at 4 p.m. I have no choice. This is not my opinion. For written rules, we use must. Visitors to the hospital must be silent. Have got to and have to are also, have got to is more common in informal spoken English. So if you're talking between friends, you might say something like, I've got to go now. Between a doctor and a patient, you probably say, you have to take this medicine. And between parents and children, please, you've got to tidy up your room. All right, so for these sentences, decide whether you're going to use must, have to, or have got to with one of the verbs from the boxes. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So Joshua, please, you have got to go to your piano lesson now. Please, you must turn off your phone now while the airplane takes off. I would love to come to your party, but I have to visit my grandmother in hospital. It has to get warmer soon. It's been such a long winter. The doctor told Grace that she must wear glasses to read. And Charles, you have to take an umbrella today because it's going to rain. Students must keep the classroom clean and tidy. Leave, you have got to eat something before you go to school. All right, and now had to is the past of must, have to, or have got to. So I had to see the doctor, you had to go to the yoga class, he had to work last night, she had to write an essay, it had to rain sometime, we had to go shopping, they had to finish their homework. So what are the children asking? You want to choose the question that best fits the picture. So probably B, do we have to leave now? They're playing at the park or at the playground. So this one would probably fit the picture best. In general, for questions of necessity, we use have to. So do I have to do it? Do we have to sit the exam tomorrow? Does Seth have to leave now? Questions with must are not common, and there is no question form of have got to. So must we eat dinner now? I mean, that's possible, but it's not very common. It sounds very formal. And do they have got to leave would be incorrect. Although you might hear some people say, have they got to leave? I'm not sure that I would agree totally that there's no question form for have got to, but in this form, that would not be correct. Okay, so summary for question form. So, do I have to leave now? Do you have to study tonight? Does he have to go to his lesson? Does she have to work tomorrow? Does it have to be so difficult? Do we have to stay here? And do they have to ask me something? And you can see that the doer does, with he, she, and it, we use does, but the have to always stays the same. All right, so now make some questions using have to. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So, do I have to give you my homework today? Does he have to catch the plane tonight? Does Micah have to travel to Madrid for a meeting? And do they have to wear a suit and tie to work? All right, now you're going to put these words into the correct order to make questions using have to. Again, you can pause the video, try those on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So 14 is already done. Do we have to go to the lesson now? For number 15, do I have to finish my vegetables? Number 16, does Peter have to work late at the office tonight? And does she have to come this evening? And now they want you to make some questions using have to. So again, you can try these on your own. And then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So 18 is already done. I must leave now. So the question form is, do I have to leave now? For 19, Travis has to drive us to school. So does Travis have to drive us to school? For 20, does she have to finish her assignment? And 21, do we have to go on a diet? Do Giselle and Bryson have to go shopping? Does Michael have to fly to Liverpool tonight? Oops, I got my numbers mixed up. So this is 22 and this is 23. Okay, number 24. Do they have to take, or do they have to catch a train this evening? 25. Does Bryce have to work on Sunday? All right, so now you can practice making some of your own questions and adding some time words to help you. So you could say something like, do you have to meet your friends tomorrow? Do you have to teach more lessons next week? So go ahead and try those on your own and make some of your own questions. All right, now these are some questions of necessity in the past. So we're going to match the question with the answer. Did you have to work late last night? Yes, I was in a meeting until 8 p.m. So go ahead and try the rest of these on your own and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Did you have to clean your room? Yeah, my parents said that I had to do it. Did Jessie have to leave yesterday? No, she's still here. She leaves tomorrow. Did Albert have to go to the hospital? No, he just saw a doctor at a clinic. All right, so questions of necessity in the past. So for the present and future, you would say, do I have to do it? But the past, we use did. Did Neil have to go to Atlanta? Does Alex have to finish the report today? Did they have to leave so early? So questions of necessity in the past, some examples. Did I have to do it? Did you have to study yesterday? Did he have to stay at school? Did she have to go to her lesson? Did it have to be so difficult? Did we have to come yesterday? And did they have to learn English? So again, the have to stays the same, and the did is what makes it past. All right, so now you're going to make some questions in the past by filling in the blanks. Again, pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So did we have to listen to that speech? Did Eli have to go to that meeting? Did Sophie and Robert have to visit the police station? And did she have to travel to Cairo yesterday? All right, again, you want to make some more questions in the past with have to. Did he have to visit, oops, did he have to visit his parents? Did you have to take the exam? Did Jerome have to move to a new house? And did he have to go to the conference? Did Helen have to drive to Cardiff last night? Did Sonia and Terence have to go to a meeting yesterday? Did they have to take the train to Warsaw? And did she have to study all day for her exams? All right, again, make some more questions for these. Did Sierra have to visit the dentist on Thursday? Did they have to speak with the manager? Did he have to have an operation? And did Dean and Lori have to clean the house? Did we have to leave at 3 p.m. today? Did Orlando have to go to a wedding in Naples? Did J and L have to return to England? And did Maya have to get her passport? Did you leave this evening? No, my train is tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Did they finish the report yesterday? Yes, it was due at 5 p.m. Did she go to the hospital? Yes, she thinks her arm is broken. Did Brienne get up early? Yes, because her plane left at 5:30 a.m. So, did you have to work late? Yes, until 9 p.m. Do they have to travel to Budapest today? No, they must go to Bucharest. Does Jasmine have to teach today? Yes, she always works on Friday. And did he study English grammar? Yes, but the lesson is finished now. All right, so now you can ask your friends. Your friends are getting married, and here are some things that you could ask them about their wedding. Do you have to set your budget? Do you have to find a place? So go ahead and practice asking those questions. And then you can also write some additional questions for more practice using these time words like yesterday, last night, 3 hours ago, last Monday, last weekend, and using these for ideas. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.